Hey class, we're going to be using something called Homestyler. Just going to break it down really quick of how to use it. Um, Everyone see this. We're just looking for start designing, right? Right now I'm signed in. I'm going to sign out for so you can see how we do this. So click here for free. Never do. I never make you charge anything, but I'm not gonna make you pay for anything. What kind of teacher will I be? All right, so if I made an account for you, you have to do that email. It should be saved in your Chromebook. If not, you should be on sign up with Google. This doesn't have any age requirement that I know of, because they use it in middle school a lot. It's all Autodesk. Don't mind my crazy. I'm so tired. Um, you're gonna ignore this. There was something about upgrade. Just keep regular. Like I don't have it because I clicked the checkbox. It doesn't happen anymore. All right, so this is your thing. Up here, you need to save it when you're done, right? And then you can open your file. So if you can't sign in, you won't be able to save your files. So this is you're created in the 2D and then you modify in 3D, right? But you can create houses, mansions, and schools. First thing we're going to use is walls, right? So we're going to create a room, draw rooms, right? So just a random box. You could change the width of this by clicking on the edges. Oh, sorry, I have something selected. Um, right, but right now we just make boxes for your rooms, and then afterward we could start moving it around. So hold up. Let me make another box. I'm gonna make an outside box just for fun, and then some randomness, right? Just for my just for craziness here. Um, so right now we just have when we go on the right hand side, click switch to 3D. We have now our base of the house, right? It doesn't. It opens up one so you can look better inside, but you basically have a house so far. No doors, no windows. So that's what we're gonna add right now. We're gonna add one door right here. We're gonna add I don't know, double doors, or actually double doors. One over here, one over there, right? Just for fun. You can flip it by the way if you don't wanna. You don't wanna like keep it there, right? So, oh, I should have one more door. Like an apartment complex here, right? So if you go in that middle, you can see the middle, right? How it has double doors, single doors, right? I'm gonna add one main door. I'm not gonna add the rooms yet, and then I'm gonna add some windows so you can see what happens when you add a window. So right under it, you should see French window, regular window, corner window, bay window. Just I've never done corner windows, so I'm kind of curious. I'm gonna put one right there. I'm gonna put one right here. Normally, they only work when you are near a wall, as you can see. And then I'm gonna do regular window. Oh, this window is so small. There's a way to modify the windows. I just forgot. So don't mind me. Now check it. You can see. I do want to modify the window. So small. Oh, we could modify right here, can we? Yes, we can. I'll do it for later. All right. So if you select it, you're able to modify. All right. So the part that I want to modify now, just for fun, it's the floors, and you click on it. You have all these options. So we're gonna do customize, or actually tile flooring. You do customize floor, it gets the edges. This one gets the whole floor. If I click, like right now it says one size, but there's multiple. If I click on these, it'll change it. It's so ugly. That's so ugly. I'm gonna write to materials. I'm gonna go into marble just for fun. Yeah, marble. Oh, I can't do this one. This one you gotta pay for. Sadness. How about this? Did I actually turn it to gold? There we go. I love that gold. That's a good gold. That's a good gold. Once you're done, you have to click finish and go back. So now we have one room of gold. I'm gonna customize this one. Materials again. Let's do glass. I love glass. This opens the sky. No, 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 no. Mirror, mirror. Black. Black mirror. Alright. Finish, go back. Now you see that, right? Beautiful. If I go back to the 3D, I can do the walls, click on it, and then customize wall. Right, but it only does you one at a time unless you click apply all. Let's go to materials. I'm gonna do marble. Veneer. I like these tiles. I'll do tiles. Ooh, that black one. I do love black, right? And then I don't see the option. There's a way to do all. I don't see it with me currently. I don't see it currently. Can I? No, no. Like so far, it's just that. You see this top option. You don't have to do the whole thing. You can select a specific area if you did this. So, like, let's say I just want this. Hold up. I want this area not to have that, and then you wanted a different tile. It'll do that. So now let's look at our house. Oh yeah, because I'm just looking at our single room. Everything. Rome. Oh, because I didn't finish. Sorry about that. All right, now we see. It's ugly the colors, but you can see the potential. The last thing I'm gonna show you, but again, I'm doing all this stuff, but this is like multiple days. You could actually insert stuff in here. Not customize. I'll just start. Yeah, it's pretty cool. We're gonna add furniture. Where are you? Where are you? Model library. Nope. I'm just looking for the option. Yeah, I thought it was customized. Oh, okay, we're custom furniture. Yeah, so I was right. You could actually add accessories, but be wary because it might not look good at first. You might have to change some sizes, and then finding everything's tricky. So you really have to look. But all your stuff is here, so you could actually find a lot of things, like a lot of things. You just have to look through it. There are beds, there are TVs, there are trees. Again, you just have to look through them. It does take a while to look through. Um, yeah, I hope you enjoy.